welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a colorful look, maybe like a cotton candy kind of look. So I can't wait for you all to see it. So first thing you want to do before you do anything else is you want to moisturize your face. And I use the Avon Moisture Therapy Hydro Boost technology. So now that we're moisturized, we're gonna let that sit for a few seconds and then we'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Brown Shades by Morphe 350M. It's eyeshadow, but I just use it for my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take some concealer. I have Clinique Beyond Perfecting. I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit. And you don't necessarily have to take this step, but they look a lot better when you do. Okay, so there's my brows. They look a lot better when they're concealed like that. And then also, when you drag that concealer down onto your eyelids, that also kind of sets as a primer. I don't use eyelid primer, I just use concealer for it, which, if you ask me, it's basically the same thing. So I'm just going to put a little bit of powder over that. And that was just my e.l.f. powder. It's just from Walmart. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start on my eyeshadow. And like I said, we're gonna be doing like a colorful look today. So I'm gonna get out my brushes and I'm gonna get out my palette from Juvia's Place. It's my favorite palette. And it's called the Masquerade palette. Okay, so we have all these colors. Like I said, I'm gonna do a cotton candy type of eye, like a light blue and pink. Okay, so what I'm gonna start with is actually the another Juvia's Place palette. It's called the Saharan, and I'm just gonna start with this little brown right here, just for a transition shade, just so everything will go on smoothly. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M200 with that shade Katsina. Okay, so now that I have that transition shade, I'm going to put the Saharan by Juvia's Place away. And I'm going to start creating the look. So I'm going to start with the color Zola. It's this light blue right here. And I'm just going to put that at the top of my eye. It looks a little crazy, but don't give it a hit. So now I'm just cleaning off my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to take, if I can get it open, I'm going to take Bori and this hot pink, right there. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with like a little bit of like a darker blue. So I'm going with Dahlia and just to blend into that pink and blue. Okay, so then I did in the shade Makeda, it's a purple, just did the underline. So like I said, it looks a little crazy right now, but it just takes time. So now I'm going to do the M330 and I'm just going to do a highlighting shade on the top of my look and then in the corner. Pair Tiger Grass Camel Drops, and that's for my redness. And it comes on green, but once it dries, it's the color of your skin. And I'm just going to use a brush to spread that around. And if you have a textured face, a brush is better for you than a beauty blender. So for my next video, I want to do a video about me. I want to have you guys ask me questions and I answer them. So make sure to go put some questions in the comments for me to answer for you guys. So that way I can answer them in my next video. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter in shade 2.5. Okay, so now that my foundation is done, I'm going to do my concealer. And I'm just going to go in with that Clinique concealer again. And that is in 0.5 Breeze. I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. powder. And just go under my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to contour with my Too Faced and Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. And I'm just going to take this angled brush, and it is Morphe 104, M104. And just go right below my cheekbones. now I'm gonna go in with the Becca Opal highlighter. I'm gonna go over that highlighter with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Sweet Kit. And I'm just gonna go with that purple. It's called Sassy Grape. Now I'm gonna put my mascara on and use Marc Jacobs. Okay, so I'm gonna use L'Oreal Color Rich and Truly Burgundy. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Party Pink Liquid Lipstick. Okay. And so now I'm gonna take some of that liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna put some on my hand. I'm just gonna let that dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the M326 and just do a little lavender. So, before my lashes, I want to go in with just a little bit more purple under that under eye with pink. So that's the look so far. Now the only thing I have left to do are just my lashes, and then I'll put on lashes and then put on my mascara on my bottom lashes. So I'm gonna put my lipsticks away. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, just leave me a comment on what I should talk about me what questions you have so I can answer them in my next video. If you guys would like to see me doing my washing my brushes or my face, or want to see my whole setup, I can do that. Just let me know. And besides that, just like, comment, and share with your friends. I am doing a giveaway. It's for the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I'm not giving away the whole vault, but I'm going to be giving away 2 of the palettes from the vault. So if you want to be entered into that, just comment down below and make sure to share. And once we get to a certain number of followers, where I'm aiming to get to 200, so once we get to that, then I will be doing the giveaway. So make sure to like, comment, share.